A 20-year tradition at the middle school of the Kennebunks. Thanksgiving dinner is not just a classroom activity, but a day-long community event.
The kids dress up and they greet them and they serve them and interact with them, and they are in very close proximity.
But given the number of whooping cough cases this fall, the RSU 21 administration deciding to cancel the annual event and instead reschedule it for the spring. In a letter to parents saying they simply do not want to risk exposing even one member of the community or exclude people from this wonderful community event. The reaction from parents?
Let down, a little disappointed, but everybody really understands.
Experts say the symptoms of whooping cough, or pertussis, typically start out like the common cold, with a sore throat, runny nose, and low-grade fever, eventually turning into uncontrollable coughing fits. Superintendent Katie Hawes saying although all of the cases in the district were mild and all the students have been vaccinated, it still felt like the right decision.
We would all feel terrible if a special event like this took place but then caused somebody to become really ill. So we just want to be on the safe side.
Erin Dixon, WMTW News 8.